What are you doing?
You're not feeling it?
No.
Okay. You're entitled to your own opinion.
Mary, Mary. Ooh. Let's do it again, but you win, and see if we get an achievement.
Okay. Oh yeah. Let's see.
That was a pretty good Bender impression. You know when he's like jacking in, or what it's called? I think it's called jacking in. I'm not gonna hit anything. How fast can you beat me?
All right. 2, 1.
You could have just casually hit it.
That's true.
You're
But
like,
I'm going for the record.
well, didn't work.
Didn't work. That's cool. They keep score, so we can just sit here and play tug of war for a year.
I wonder if at the end it's gonna be like May won this many because I won the whack-a-mole too.
Yep.
Oh, you're so bad. I'm so good. Oh, so we can feel pain?
What? Way ahead of you, buddy.
May's getting drunk after this. She's like, I'm having 7 and vodka.
I'm taking the whole handle. Whoop.
What do you mean? We don't have a daughter anymore. Dude, we could save so much money on alcohol because we're tiny.
I only need a thimble.
Here I go. Oh no. Oh no. I can aim while grinding. Oh, this could be bad.
Oops.
You died.
Whoops.
Whoa. These squirrels have like transportation? Like
Underground transportation.
they have monorails? Oh great, Patrick has the hiccups again. Couch surfing classic.
Too much beer, let me tell you.
Wait, I don't want to go in that one. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, well, that was weird. Did you see that?
No,
I jumped-
sorry, I gotta dodge my carts.
I jumped into I jumped into one. That was dumb. I'm hitting the button. This is dumb. Pat Bunbury says boo, but I'm not sure what it was related to. Oh, I can hit X to dash. I forgot to speed things up so I can get this timing better.
Whoa.
Whoopsie daisy.
Hey, I'm the king of swing. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba.
I'm catching up, my husband.
Yeah, I win.
Yeah.
Where's the score for that? Where's the score for that?
I left it at home.
Better platformers.
Dude.
Oh, he scared my hiccups away. Good job on it.
Oh. This looks like an enemy spawn. Yep. These squirrels have walkie-talkies, like a lot of them. Hang on. Ain't no way this tree is this big. Or are we underground? There's Badman.
Yeah, but also,
Were they supposed to blow that up?
I don't think it mattered.
Oh, shit. Get him, bud.
Actually, I think it might matter. I think there's a.
Okay, so don't blow up the door.
Don't blow the door.
Okay,
It's gonna be slowly opening.
I got a bad B. Oh, fuck yeah.
That's pretty badass.
Okay, can you cover like all of those? Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So you have to So you have to. I think you got to blow it up now. Oh shit. Yeah,
Where?
Dark Souls roll, baby.
Whoa. I have to blow it up now?
Yeah, so I can get more on the top and then make it spins again.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh!
I got
I hit his butt.
Yeah.
But he's too quick. Got him. Oh, he's got more life. Oh shit, I dodge rolled into him.
And
Cody!
he's got more life. Ah, I had to get the door.
My husband.
I had to cover him.
Whoa.
Cover him up with that one. Where are these wasps getting these
Whoa.
like hand tools? They have like a weapon attached to their
Ugh.
bodies.
Yeah, but I mean, have you ever tried to hit someone with your butt? It's just. All
It's not easy, you know.
right, I got the door again. cover him, and then when he's like ready for me to hit him, go
Yeah.
to the door. Okay, now I'll distract him. Whew, yeah. He said you will not pass. This guy's fucking Gandalf.
Oh,
You got the door. Okay, cool.
yeah.
Moving slow. It's not moving.
I'll go
Are you
back
sure
to
you
it.
got it? Ooh, that was good teamwork. Woohoo! Come on. Ole! Toro, Toro! Ho ho!
Oh. All right, it's not doing anything, so I'm
Okay,
guessing
so we
that,
just gotta kill this man.
Yeah.
Yes! Whew! Whoa! This is awesome. Ready, go!
Oh yeah.
Did we get it?
Let's get through that vault.
All right.
Oh, sprinting time.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Woo! I can't figure out why my phone made the noise. Makes no sense.
Are they supposed to be talking right now? What happened?
I think we weren't supposed to hear anything.
Ah. No?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Well, that's cool.
New. Hey guys, I found a new bug.
What? Did I mess something up over here? What just happened? Are you chickening out?
No. We're just exploring
The premises.
Right.
I think you look scared, like two little chickens. No, not at all. We were just, what the fuck is happening, man?
Why can't we play a game?
But
And,
reminder, the collaboration is key. This is a very dangerous.
we'll see this one, and then I'll restart it real quick.
Thanks for reminding us. Oh, wait, you welcome me. Hey, Cody. I guess he did
You
chicken
done?
sounds, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
What the huh? Let's see.
That book is really annoying. Well, it seems to be working now.
Well, could you guys hear that or like
Was it just our impressions, or
because we can't hear like voices anymore.
yeah?
We can hear like sound effects at least right now. Wait, there's something over here. Wait, is there? No, I don't think there is. I'm trying to wait for one of our characters to say something.
What now?
What the fuck? Did we just... Oh, is the sound really low for you guys?
Oh no, it's probably just that cutscene that we're like.
How's it sound right now? Oh, the sound is really low.
That's kind of intentional. You can turn it up a little bit. Yeah, oh,
You got maggot-id.
these are grubs. Bruh.
Well,
Oh, shit.
you did. So, what do I care? That was really weird. That... Huh. I'm like confused. I'm still confused.
Here, flip the game sound up a little bit higher.
Where?
On the
Here?
audio input device. So I got a 40 right now. Put it up to like 50.
That's a little bit more.
That's all I gotta do.
Dialogue is basically silent all the time, or just in that last cutscene that didn't work?
Yeah. Okay, well, I think the Switch outputs a lot higher volume than the Xbox does, so I'd probably turn it down.
Well, that could be bad for our entire footage.
You can still hear us. That's what's important.
Debatable. Oh, so we got to kill the man. Got it. Stop coming everywhere. We go through like each like stage and there's like little goops everywhere. Oh, cool. See you later, husband. Wow, this is a bit of a big open area now.
Looks like there's gonna be a fight.
Pew pew.
Whoop. Whoop.
That was cool.
Acorn butter.
Corn butter?
Corn butter.
Think you gotta weigh these down.
Corn. Or just blow it up.
That worked.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, these guys can't hurt us.
Well, but our life bar came up. Also, why did you do that in the middle of me jumping? Now it made me fall. Wait, where are you? Here, I'm coming.
Nice.
Ow! That wasn't cool.
Whoop. Made it all the way across here.
Okay. Huh. I don't know what that did.
Oh yeah.
No! I don't want to fight you.
Mortar wasp. This is like the most involved level we've been in yet.
Oh, it's just gonna keep going from here, bud.
Extreme.
Oh. This is easier than the shield one.
Yeah. Well,
Oh shit. Maybe not.
I mean, I wouldn't necessarily say it's easier. It's just that like we can keep attacking it repeatedly. It's not one of those bosses where you have to just dodge it until it's vulnerable. Let me get a good coating on there. Hold on.
Yeah, but I gotta stun it. I gotta take opportunity where opportunity lands. Cool.
But that never landed at all.
I get it. I think I'm gonna go to McDonald's after.
Kicking some butt.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh fuck!
Pretty good with that match gun.
Thanks, Cody. You
Oh,
two
there's puns in chat.
got the sack.
Oh no.
No! How's the game sound now? We put it up a little bit, so just let us know. We don't want it to be, you know, we want our voices to be the main thing, but we want you guys to be able to hear shit, you know?
Yeah, because the voice acting is pretty good, so.
Yeah. A-okay. That's not a pun. Be okay. These are wasps.
Oh, it'd be okay.
Do you remember Beast Wars? But do you remember it?
I know what it is, yeah.
They had Waspinator on there. You would say like, Waspinator, terrorize.
Waspinator, terrorize!
It was fun.
They all say their names.
Yeah, they do. Buzz off, James. I get it. I think you already used Buzz though. Maybe. Oh.
Hey,
Oh.
is this your camera, May?
Oh yeah.
So were the squirrels running away from something? The perfect backdrop for my
Dude, go get in there.
photo.
Wait, there's all these like different things you can click on. You're
You're a squirrel.
get in the get go in the back.
That's what I'm working. Hold on. Oh, cancel it. There we go.
I didn't get an achievement. I'm gonna have to take a picture. Take my picture down. Whoa, you just went through it.
Yeah.
Smack bitch up. Now go take my picture.
Well, what do you want to use this diorama? There's more dioramas.
What? There's more Whoa!
Oh. Oops.
Yeah, dude, let me be... What? Hold on. What is this foreshadowing?
The Tyrannosaurus squirrel. Nice.
But that's scary, right? Oh, look at me, I'm running away. Oh, I'm just snoozing, I guess.
You better get pooped on, bro.
Is there more? We
That's
did
why
that.
I went.
This one.
Interesting. Looks like ancient technology.
What? This one's boring. There's no dinosaurs or anything. This is boring. Can we both be in a picture?
Oh, maybe. Hold on, there's a timer. Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's do the squirrel and wasp one. That'll be funny,
That's
right?
dinosaur,
One of
yeah.
us can be a squirrel, one of us can be a wasp. I'll be the wasp because I'm a woman.
Quick, into positions.
Go, 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 go! Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's developing. We got a good thing we didn't shake it like a Polaroid picture. Oh. It didn't really capture us, huh?
Cool.
Did you zoom it in all the way?
Hold on. Yeah, go
You
back.
stupid asshole. Go get into your squirrel position.
All right.
God. Ruining my family portraits.
All right, there he goes.
Ka-ching. All right, I'm gonna throw it up on the wall once it's ready. Boom! Go look at it. Well, that's the wrong way.
I tried to go that direction while looking at your screen. Didn't work.
Nice shot.
That's a good one.
That's
a keeper.
that's a
Here's
good one.
another one.
Well, look at that.
What's this last one I just threw up? Ah,
You sitting there. Nothing interesting.
okay. Well, that was
That was neat.
fun. Cover the camera with goop. Oh, we can't even shoot right now. They don't want us to blow up the pictures. This is creepy, right? Like
Is that
squirrels are
Us?
just taking pictures of us.
oh, it's a wasp, bruh? Or I guess it might be the squirrels since it's
I feel like the squirrels like made this whole place and then the wasp took
took it over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh oh, health bars.
And the floor's gonna break, obviously.
Bringing out the big guns now.
This is like a Kingdom Hearts 3 boss.
Good thing mine is
Ow!
bigger.
They called me the exterminator.
They really do.
Teehee. Post-marital humor. Oh, jeez. Get him more. Ow.
I'm trying. Blow 'em up.
Like, this is not super easy.
You don't need the A button for this.
Okay. All right. No. Okay. Look, clean up, man. Like,
I can't.
gross. Oh. All right. There's more.
Coming back for more, eh?
Dream on.
Dream on.
I'm out of ammo.
Me too.
Uh-oh.
Hey, clean
You
up for me.
called it. I don't like that we still have health bars. I don't like that.
Not one bit, Sam.
Shit. Okay, cool. Focus on the. Yeah. You got it. Oh shit! I fired too many. I only have 3 shots. Gotta make them count. There's scissors. There's scissors. Okay.
Woo-hoo.
You already got some on them.
I didn't count.
Uh-oh.
It's time to put the hammer down.
Yeah, man. I'm just stressed out. Okay.
I'm trying to put him right in front of you.
No, you're doing a great job. It's just, it's kind of stressful to, like, my only job relies on what you're doing. You know what I mean? Like, I have to be reactive. Okay. Alright. Oh, shit.
Didn't work. Dun, dun.
Dun 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 dun.
Yeah.
Whoa.
He's on fire.